Want to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily transfer it. First of all, head over to your Play Store. Once you're in this page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and then check whether you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into Play Store, now go back and head over to Play Games. Over here too, you have to log into your specific account that you are logged in Play Store. Once you're in this page, click on this three-dot icon and move into Settings. Inside Settings, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the option where it says Automatically Sync with Google Play Store. Once you find that option, you have to toggle it on. Once you have turned on that feature, you will be good to go. And then, the Google Play Games data will be transferred. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.